Hey guys, this next song is all about feeling sexy and feeling crazy, alright you guys? So don't worry so much about the dance step, just keep it moving and keep grooving, alright you guys? So let's go ahead and break it down. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Add the arms, a little slide with it, slide and slide, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. We're gonna rock it forward. Right, left, roll, body roll down. Alright? Forward, back, roll it down. Forward, back, roll it down. We're gonna do 4 of those. Boom, roll it down. Boom, roll it down. Boom, roll it down. 3, actually. On the 4th one, your arms are gonna go up and you're gonna flex it crazy any way you want to. Have fun with it, alright? So, we're gonna go forward, roll it down, forward, roll it down, forward, and roll it down. Boom, 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 boom. You have 4 beats to choose whatever kind of muscle pose you want to do, alright? Moving on. Feet are gonna be wide. You're in a squat position. You're gonna punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're gonna punch it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Crazy, run it in place with those feet. Arms go up like you're hitting a drum. Drum it out, drum it out, drum it out. Cross, turn around. All right? That cross, all you're doing is bringing one foot in front. You're gonna stay on the balls of those feet as you rotate all the way around. Okay? Then we go into I'm sexy and I know it. Step touch again, you guys from the beginning. Step touch, any way you want to. 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to the beginning of the song, we're gonna go into forward and back, little shuffle step. Bring those knees up, you guys, as high as you can. Get it going, get it going, get it going. For a count of 8 to the left, then a count of 8 to the right. Same thing, switch it out. Switch and switch. Cool? Then we're going to go back to the chorus, step it forward, roll it down. Hey, forward, roll it down. Forward, roll it down. Flex it out, 3, 4. Forward, bring it down. Forward, bring it down. Forward, bring it down. Pose, 2, 3, 4. Punch it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to get fancy on that second count of 8, all I'm doing is lifting my toes, okay? Opposition. Bum, 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 bum. Cool? Then we go into quick feet, run in place, hit that drum. If you want, you can hit your thighs. If you want to, just shake it out, go crazy. Cross. I'm sexy and I know it. Okay? Then we go into our slides again. Then we have our favorite part, the wiggle, 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 wiggle. What? 4 wiggles, all right? Arms go up. Shake it out here. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Quarter turn. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And quarter turn, boom. All the way around, okay? Then we go back to step touching. Woo! And we're gonna finish off the song, you guys. Forward, back, that's all the steps you need. And we got the song done. Let's have some fun. Let's be sexy, and we know it. Woo. Hey. 4, 3, start side to side, rock it out. Hey. Step touch. All right, let's try the slide. Slide, slide, hey. 4, 3, rock it forward, body roll, and pull. Body roll, 4, body roll. Flex it out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, body roll, body roll. Flex it out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch it out. Good, arms up. Hey, quick feet, play that drum. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Cross it out. And forward and back. Shuffle it out, guys. 4, 3, 2, other side. 8, Switch it up. Play that drum, quick beat. Yeah. Woo. Cross out, turn around. Shuffle forward and back. Get those knees up. 4, 3, 2, other side. Hey. 4, 3, 2, here's your favorite, wiggle it out. Turn, wiggle, turn, wiggle, turn. Step touch. Woo! There it is. 4, 3, 2, slide out. Hey. You guys are doing great. Keep it going. Woo! We're gonna go back to forward step with the body pulled down. Here we go. Roll down. 4 poses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step touch. Woo! Arms up. There it is. Hey, 4, 3, 2. Little cross turn right here.